Welcome to MindGrind. I'm so excited to start this channel and have honest conversations about becoming your best self. Today, let's tackle something everyone struggles with: laziness and how to get more done every day. No scripts, no pretending, just real talk. Let's be honest. We've all had those days where even simple things feel impossible. You wake up, look at your to-do list, and just want to roll over and sleep. It's not just you, it happens to me too. But why? Why is it so hard to just start? Honestly, most of the time it's not that we're lazy. It's fear, overwhelm, or just lack of clarity. Here's the first big question. Why do I struggle to even start anything? Sometimes my mind just makes things bigger than they really are. I overthink, worry about failing, or don't know where to start. What helps me? Breaking things into tiny steps. Instead of telling myself to finish a whole project, I just start with something small, like writing a single sentence or cleaning one part of my desk. It's all about momentum. Here's another one. What should I do when I have zero motivation? This is real life. There are days when I feel totally empty. When that happens, I stop waiting for motivation. I just do something simple, like making my bed or drinking water. Sometimes action comes before motivation, not the other way around. The next big thing: how do I stop procrastinating and actually get things done? For me, it's all about setting a timer. I tell myself just focus for 10 minutes. Most of the time, once I start, I keep going. Also, I remove distractions, turn off my phone, close other tabs. And if my brain still resists, I reward myself after finishing a task, even a small one. Now, let's talk about making things less boring. How can I make work or study less boring? Sometimes I'll change my environment, go to a coffee shop, or rearrange my desk. I listen to upbeat music or set mini challenges for myself, like, how much can I do in 20 minutes? It makes things a little more fun. And this is a tough one. What if I feel guilty for not doing enough? I've felt this so many times. But here's the truth. You're human. Some days are slow, and that's okay. What matters is not giving up. Progress is progress, even if it's just a little. So if you're still here, thank you for listening to this real talk. If you found any of this helpful, please subscribe to MindGrind and hit the bell for more honest conversations and motivation. Comment below. What's the one thing you struggle with most when it comes to productivity? And if this video gave you a push, give it a like and share it with someone who needs it.